Robin Wright is an actress and director. She has earned a Golden Globe Award and Satellite Award, and is the recipient of 8 Primetime Emmy Awards for her work in television. Early life and biography. Robin Wright was brought to this world on April 8, 1966. She was born in Dallas, Texas, the US. Her full name is Robin Gayle Wright. She was raised in San Diego by her parents, Freddie Wright and Gayle Gaston. Freddie Wright was an employee at a pharmaceutical company. And Gayle Gaston was a cosmetic saleswoman. She went to Jolla High School for her education and for her high school. She went to Taft High School in Los Angeles. Lisa Kudrow and Ice Cube also attended the same school. Personal life. Coming to her personal life, she has been married thrice. She was first married to Dan Witherspoon from 1986 to 1988. They met on the set of Santa Barbara. After their divorce, she met Sean Penn in 1989, who had just divorced Madonna. Their relationship was very on and off. Their divorce finalized on July 22, 2010. In February 2012, she began dating actor Ben Foster, and they announced their engagement in January 2014. But they called off their engagement in late 2014, but again reunited in 2015. Then they ended their second engagement in August 2015. She began dating Clement Garudet in 2017 and secretly wed in August 2018 in France. Age, height and weight. Being born April 8, 1966, Robin Wright is 56 years old as of today's date, 26th April 2022. Her height is 1.67 meter tall and her weight is 59 kg. Career. Robin Wright began her career in the show business at the age of 14 when she started modeling. When she was 18, she played the role of Kelly Catwell in the soap opera Santa Barbara, which earned her several Daytime Emmy Award nominations. She then appeared in the 1987 cult film The Princess Bride. Awards and achievements. Robin Wright has received numerous awards and nominations. She has been nominated for 8 Primetime Emmy Awards. In total, she has been nominated for 63 different awards and she has won 5 of them. In 1988, she won the Soap Opera Digest Award for Santa Barbara in Outstanding Heroine Daytime category. Net worth and salary. Robin Wright has a net worth of $70 million as of April 2022. For her role in House of Cards, she was paid $9 million per year. She has earned most of her money by starting in critically acclaimed films and television series. She has a luxury car collection and also bought a $3.3 million house in 2016.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun